leverage our account. Why? Because we are in need of instant and urgent money. Which we understand, we have been hearing that psychology has 80% in trading, and which is 100% right. So psychology take 80%, while the risk management take 50%, trading management 5%. So what are we going to be looking at today? Will me a lot, because I can be able to owe a drawdown, but I can't be able to owe enough. I can't be able to hold my profit enough. I can hold a lot of losses, but I can't hold a lot. Yeah, what's up, my guys? Welcome to today's episode, which deal with the psychology. Yeah, what's up, my guys? Welcome to FOREX, the only channel focused on making to the financial market. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon, and that turns on notifications. So each time I post a video like this, YouTube can easily get notified, and YouTube can also redirect others who are new into this video. So if you're seeing us for the first time, this is FOREX YouTube channel where we discuss day-to-day and where we vlog day-to-day trading activities. And if you're looking for where to get entertained, where to learn forex free of charge, you're in the right place and you're in the right channel. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and that thumbs up button so YouTube can redirect this video. Today episode, which deal with the psychology of trading. So we understand, we have been hearing that psychology has 80% in trading, and which is 100% right. So psychology take 80%, while the risk management take 50%, trading management 5%. So what are we going to be looking at today? We'll be looking at how the need of money is affecting us psychologically as traders. Yeah, how the need of money is really affecting us psychologically and as trader, and it affects us as trader, which we could not be able to, which did not allow us to manage our trade well. So for a very long time, we have been hearing and we have been seeing people have been talking that forex is a form of gambling, that trading is gambling and trading is gambling. And I have been disagreeing with that, because I have not seen a place where a gambler has risk management and money management. Like, I have not seen, like, a gambler will just tell you that this gamble or this casino I want to play now, if you go against me, I will be losing $2,000. No, it continues till it's so vast and so big that you set your stop loss, you trade, you manage your trade, everything, your take profits, everything is being there for you to allow you to be managed very well. So this is the ability for us not to manage money as make it like forex is a form of gambling. No, forex will never be any gambling. You can't. During the need of money, we have been hearing psychology this, psychology that, psychology this, psychology that. Is that true? No, that's not true. That is true, nevertheless, don't go anywhere. So psychology this, psychology that is true. And the need of money, let's take for instance, I am in need of, let's say for instance, we are all human beings, we need 105k today, $5,000 today, and we have an account of $500. What do we do? Guess what? We will be able to leverage, we'll be able to place trade on that account. Risk management will not be calculated, no trade management, nothing. Just trade, click the buy, click the sell. What does that tell you? That tells you that you are about to gamble, because you don't have the risk that is backing it up. You don't have the management, there's a psychology, all your focus at that moment is, I need to get this $5,000, I need to get this $5,000 instantly. And this always happen to every trader. This not only between single trader, no, this always happen to every trader. Each time as a trader, yeah, you need money to do things urgently. That's when you ended up losing money. I wish our big bros or the profitable trader or those who trade bigger can attest to this, can tell you the truth. Each time as a trader, you are trading to make money or you are looking for urgent money, you ended up losing account. So how do you remove this? When you are in need of urgent money, you have unrealistic expectation. You'll be expecting to flip $100 to $10,000. Like, make it make sense. I don't say it does not make sense. I don't say it's impossible. According to my quote, which I always tell you, is the only thing or the only stage impossible in forex, if you are being real and you are grinding from scratch, the only thing impossible with trading is the stage you have not got into. Nothing is impossible with trading. But when we're dealing with psychology, $100 to $10,000, let it make sense in one day, because you are in need of urgent money. This has to do with your psychology and stuff like this here. You won't be able to manage your psychology well. You won't be able to manage your risk properly, and you won't be able to manage the trade properly. All you have to do is click the buy, click the sell. Number 2, we have fear of loss. Fear of loss. This mainly happen. So let's say, for instance, when you have this fear of loss inside you don't want to see loss. You can be able to manage to trade more on loss than more on profit. Yeah, this will be another topic of psychology that we'll be dealing with in our next video. So you could be able to hold a drawdown of $500, but you can't be able to hold a drawdown of a profit of $100. You can be able to hold a negative of $300, but you can't be able to hold a positive of $100. Why? Because you are scared of those blue turning to red. You are scared of those profits turning back to losses. This has a lot to do with traders. When I mean traders, yeah, this has a lot to do with them. Happens to me a lot, because I can be able to hold a drawdown, but I can't be able to hold enough. I can't be able to hold my profit enough. I can hold a lot of losses, but I can't hold a lot of profit. This happens to you, to me, and to you, guy. So this happens to everybody, but how do you manage it is for another topic. Yeah? So number 3 is premature exit. Premature exit under fear of loss. Like when you see a profit of $50, GAFA, this is blue. Let me quickly close it out before it returns to red. You are not trading, you are gambling. Sorry to tell you this. You are not trading, but you are gambling. See, according to Trading in the Zone, Mark Douglas once said, trading is a game of probability. Either I win or I lose. But making it a game of probability does not mean you should not do your analysis properly. You should not back up your trade with risk management. Missing out opportunities. You'll be missing out your A+ setup. You know, there are traders that have 3 confluences. When those confluences are met, either supply and demand, support and resistance, trade line, so forth and so on, psychological level, 3 criteria has to meet before they took trade. But when we are in need of urgent money here, we don't wait for all those criteria. We don't care. In need of money make us gamble as traders. When we're in need of money, that's when gambling come on. Yeah, let's say, for instance, now you're in need of urgent $100 and you have the account of $50. You want risk that full account, that full capital. That's what we should be looking at as when you're in need of money is greed and over trading. We know when money is involved, we are all greedy as human beings. I am greedy, you are greedy, that your guy is greedy. You that's watching this video, I guess you must be greedy, because you're $100. It go move. The trade reverse. You are greedy and you are over trading. Let's take for instance here, you are trading a $1,000 account and you are in up of about $200. Instead of you to close because you are in need of urgent $500, you still hold trade, and that $200 is a 20% of $100 account on one trade, which you should be closed on, and you will be over trading. Let's take for instance, we have 3 or 4 sections: the Sydney section, the Asia section, the London section, the New York section. 4. Instead of you to focus on the London section and the New York section, in London section alone you will be placing 5 trades. As how now? In New York section we will be placing 10 trades. See, let me tell you, in everyday trading you must have opportunity to trade. It depends on your strategy. There must be every opportunity for you to trade, but everything depends on your strategy. So we have revenge trading. When you are in need of money, you always revenge to trade. Let's say for instance, you just make loss just now because you are in need of urgent money. Instead of you to close out or to rest, you are increasing your loss sizes. You keep trading. You don't care if your criteria to revenge on every trade, on every loss you make, and that exposes you more to blowing of account. That exposes you more to more risk. That exposes you more to more lot sizes. So revenge trading. The other one, we have lack of discipline. One thing as trader, one thing that make you stand out as traders is not the ability to say you know how to trade. It's not the ability to say you know how to analyze all the charts, all the technical analysis, or you know how to read the fundamental. No, all you have is special, you know what I call it? A special indicator that is profitable. No, discipline is what you need as a trader. And when you're in need of money, you lack it because you can't obey your trade management, you can't obey your risk management, you can't obey your money management, you can't obey your psychology. What your psychology is telling you, like what in your head they tell you, you won't obey it. Why? Because you are in need of money. So this comes in and this makes you lose a lot. This exposes you to more to losses because you lack discipline. So we are over leveraging. We over leverage our account. We open our account to more losses, to more damages. In America, mostly 1 to 10 is advisable. Even 1 to 100 is not advisable. But some of us, 1 to 2,000, guy, I need that urgent money because you over leverage your account. See, the primary assignment of every trader is the ability to protect the capital he came to the market with, not the profit. The ability to survive. We over leverage our account. Why? Because we are in need of instant and urgent money, which is very bad as traders. Yeah. So the last, which is not the least, is stress and mental fatigue. Like each time you lose money, I have blown accounts severally. I still blow accounts severally. I know it feels. I know how it feels to lose your hard-earned money, and even though it's the trade that give you back, to lose it back. We are human beings. Your mental health, everything. That's why most people don't like to associate with trader. Like people don't, unless you are not profitable, they're not seeing results. You know, nobody wants to see the story. Everybody wants to see the result. Yeah. So these are the key factors that driving you as a trader each time you need of money. Let me quickly do a quick recap. We have unrealistic expectation. I done that. Fear of loss. I know that. Hold on to losses. Premature exits, missing out opportunities. We have greed and over trading, revenge trading, lack of discipline, over leveraging, stress, and mental fatigue. If you are a trader, please, the need of money each time you're trading has a lot of negative impact to do with you. I know this is not the cruise you want to see, you expect the cruise, no, but psychology first. If you read my bio on our YouTube, we understand we are dealing with psychology and risk management. These are the things that control the market. If you want to see good content like this, don't go anywhere, subscribe and join our Telegram channel because we do drop trade to trade, banger to banger. I wish people in the community can testify in the comment section. So